Guilty means having been convicted of a crime, or having admitted the commission of a crime by pleading guilty, saying you did it. A defendant may also be found guilty by a judge after a plea of no contest, or in Latin nolo contendere. The term guilty is also sometimes applied to persons against whom a judgment has been found in a lawsuit for a civil wrong, such as negligence, or some intentional act like assault or fraud, but that is a confusing misuse of the word since it should only apply to a criminal charge.